These are the ingredients to make Beurre Manie. And what is that? You got different colors of roux to thicken things. You can use cornstarch, but in the French kitchen where I was trained, this you would use into a nice sauce because you're going to get the butter flavor, not the flavor from some fat used in most roux. And all you have to do is put the amount that I have there. See, the butter is soft. You work the butter into the flour, so it could take a couple of minutes without making a mess. As soon as this is complete, then you have your Beurre Manie to thicken the sauce. And since I'm going to use this thickening technique today for my shrimp and sea scallops Newburgh style, I said I might as well make the recipe for this. So you have to work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. And I'm going to shut off the film until I get finished with this. And there it is, finished. So now, you have your stock, whatever amount it is, and it's boiling. Now have it on a simmer, and slowly add this. Under the description of this video, I will tell you how much this thickens, because I'm going to know in a few minutes. And that's it. That's all you have to know, is how much Beurre Manie to make to thicken up X amount of stock.